Absorbing, I'm gonna show you, and this will be a new YouTube video for Monday, July 18th, 2016. Oh, that was big. Alright. Wow, that was a big bolt.
When it went like that, over here.
Oh.
That really loud boom.
Yeah. If that tree wasn't there, it'd be perfect. It looks like it's in Georgia, though.
I don't know what all this stuff is then.
Wow! That's gonna be loud. Because that was close. Okay, what? What? What?
I said that was far away.
But it looked close.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm filming. Wow!
Wow, it's been around for a while.
There we go. I'll be right back. Oh, you can see this. The light show. Mommy, watch over here. Just watch the sky right there, and you'll see the bolts of lightning. I have it. It's not raining very hard.
Raining hard enough.
Yeah, but you can see at least see the
Hard
house.
enough you'd get soaked if you went from here to there and back.
Yeah. You can still see the houses across the
We should have put the well back in there.
Don't close the door. Where was that? Did that hit the house?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've had enough of that for today.
Did that hit the house?
Not our house.
It was probably a mile away.
I don't know.